You already know how to create an article in SAP IS-Retail. MM41, the views, the basic flow, that part you've got. But here's what nobody tells you. The same transaction behaves completely differently depending on which industry you're working in, and if you've only ever worked in one sector, the next project can catch you off guard. A fashion retailer needs generic articles and variants. One parent, dozens of size and color children, all generated from a single matrix. A grocery chain needs batch management for freshness, FEFO picking, shelf life fields, the works. A pharmacy needs the same batch checkbox, for a completely different reason: regulatory traceability and recall capability. A hardlines retailer is buying in cases and selling by the unit and needs SAP to derive the cost automatically. And an FMCG company is running a 3-level unit chain, milliliters to bottles to cases, with one price entry resolving across the entire range. This course walks you through all five full system demonstrations, real article numbers, real transactions, from material group creation all the way to a confirmed purchase order. Denim jeans with a quota arrangement across suppliers. Fresh milk with batch management and shelf life. An OTC pharmaceutical with compliance fields most consultants never touch. A hardlines product with automatic price derivation. And a detergent with a 3-level conversion chain that does the math for you. Each demo is paired with a concept lesson that explains the business logic first. So by the time you're in the system, you already know why every decision is being made. And it closes with a decision framework. 3 questions you can ask before you open MM41 on any project in any industry to know exactly which article category, which batch setting, and which unit of measure structure you need. If you're a consultant moving between retail clients, or you're building internal capability across a multi-format retail group, this is the course that takes you from I know MM41 to I know how MM41 changes by industry and why. Let's get into it.